What is BTC.D? BTC.D refers to the percentage of Bitcoin's market capitalization compared to the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. In simpler terms, it shows how much of the crypto market is made up of Bitcoin. For example, if BTC.D is 50%, that means Bitcoin accounts for 50% of the total crypto market cap. Why is BTC.D important? So why does BTC.D matter? Well, it can be a useful indicator of market sentiment and trends. When BTC.D is high, it might suggest that investors are more confident in Bitcoin and less interested in altcoins. On the other hand, a low BTC.D could indicate that investors are diversifying into other cryptocurrencies. How to use BTC.D in your trading strategy. Now, let's talk about how you can use BTC.D in your trading strategy. Some traders use BTC.D as a contrarian indicator. For example, if BTC.D is extremely high, they might consider buying altcoins. Others use it to gauge the overall health of the crypto market. What we're looking at. This chart shows Bitcoin's dominance percentage over the total cryptocurrency market. The data spans several years, with the most recent point dated January 25th, 2021. Yellow horizontal line acts as a strong resistance level. Blue trend line represents a consistent upward trend, acting as support. As of the latest data, Bitcoin's dominance is at 65.43%, nearing the resistance level. The RSI value is 46.27, indicating a neutral to slightly bearish condition. This suggests that the market is not overly extended in either direction. The overall upward trend suggests a positive long-term outlook for Bitcoin. Consider gradually adding to your position during dips, especially if the price remains above the blue trend line. What is USDT.D? USDT.D stands for Tether Dominance. It's a percentage that shows Tether's USDT market capitalization compared to the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Think of it like this. It tells us what proportion of the entire crypto market is held in USDT. Why is it important? Why should you care? Well, USDT.D can give you insights into market sentiment. A rise in USDT.D often suggests that investors are moving into USDT, potentially indicating a bearish market or a flight to safety. Conversely, a falling USDT.D might signal increasing confidence in altcoins and a potentially bullish market. How to use it? You can find USDT.D data on most crypto tracking websites. Keep an eye on its trend to gauge market sentiment. Remember, it's just one indicator, so always consider it with other analysis tools. What we're looking at. This chart shows USDT's dominance percentage over the total cryptocurrency market. The data spans several years, with the most recent point dated March 10th, 2025. Upper yellow line acts as a strong resistance level. Lower yellow line represents a strong support level. As of the latest data, USDT's dominance is at 4.83%, nearing the lower support level. The RSI value is 61.30, indicating a slightly overbought condition. This suggests that the market is not overly extended in either direction. The overall range-bound trend suggests a neutral long-term outlook for USDT. Consider gradually adding to your position during dips, especially if the price remains above the lower support line. All right, buckle up, buttercups, because we're diving headfirst into the wild world of Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. We've got an uptrend, a beautiful, glorious uptrend that's just smashed through the historical ceiling. We're talking new highs, baby, But hold your horses because the RSI, that little momentum meter, is flirting with the overbought zone. Is it going to cool off? Maybe. Is it going to take a little breather? Possibly. Will it correct itself? Could be. And here's where things get spicy. We're seeing some negative divergence. That's like a secret signal, a little whisper in the crypto wind. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. All right, crypto maniacs, buckle up because we're diving into the Bitcoin battlefield. We're looking at the one-day chart, BTC against USDT, and things are, well, they're kind of chill. But don't worry, we'll spice it up. The lowdown, price. We're chilling around $108,078.07. Not too shabby, not breaking the bank. The arena. We've got a yellow line, our ceiling, resistance, and a brown line, our floor, support. Think of it as a price action bouncy castle. Volume. The party's going off. Lots of trades happening, but nobody's sure which way to jump. Trend lines and patterns. The price is like a ping pong ball bouncing between our lines. The range. We're in a sideways snooze fest, consolidation station. Testing times. The price is tickling the support line. Is it going to break? Stay tuned. Volume's got a secret. Lots of trading, but no clear winner. The market's playing coy. RSI says, me. No strong signals. It's like the market's taking a nap. Support. The floor. Around $98,163.02. Don't fall through. Resistance. The ceiling. Around $111,875.15. Can we break through? Watch these lines like a hawk. Breakouts are where the party's at. Upward break. If we smash through that yellow line, it's a bull run. Long positions with a safety net. Stop loss. Downward break. If the floor cracks, it's a bear attack. Short positions with a stop loss to save your bacon. RSI overbought. Above 70. Time to think about selling. RSI oversold. Below 30. Time to think about buying. Use other indicators to confirm the signal. Double-check everything. Thank you for watching my video so far. I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and leave your opinions about the possible price of Bitcoin in the comments. For another video, goodbye.